What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's episode, I'm going to unlock for you one of the most sought after jump rope tricks in the whole of the world. It is, of course, the Brian Viloria 360.
Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? They felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Whoa.
So there you guys have it. Brian is an absolute phenomenal jump roper, phenomenal boxer, and he's one of very few boxers out there who are actually compared to the Money Man Mayweather when it comes to skipping. So I was absolutely honored and just ecstatic to meet him in person. I was in the Wildcard West gym last month and I was just able to get to know him, to learn how he skips, how he jumps rope. So this video is going to be slightly different to my usual tutorials if you follow this channel. What we're going to do is I'm going to run the vlog. I'm going to show you guys just me meeting Brian for the first time, him taking me through his jump rope journey, taking me through the move, and just getting to know him as a person. Then we're going to come straight back here and I'm going to show you guys how to do this move the right way, the slick way, and to get you guys looking like skipping gods. So if you want to skip the vlog portion of the meetup, go straight to this timestamp and that will get you right to the tutorial. Otherwise, sit back and relax. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We're going to run it after this intro. Right guys, before I run the vlog, just a quick few announcements on next week's launch. We are bringing out the Phantom Zip hoodie next Saturday, 29th of September. It's going to be 4 p.m. UK time for that launch. We're also restocking the Rush mat, the Legacy hoodie, and we're also bringing out these new snapbacks. So if you're interested in getting involved in that launch, please head down to my website, subscribe to my mailing list if you haven't already. I'm going to be giving away a few promo codes before the launch day. So let's get straight into this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I'm going to see you back here in a few moments. We are finally here, guys. We are in California. I'm here at the Wildcard West boxing gym to see the main man, Brian Viloria. And compared to Mayweather, this guy has been known to be maybe the best jump roper in the boxing business. I've managed to get a few minutes with the main man. He's going to share with us and hopefully he's going to give you guys some pointers, some tips on how to reach that next level. And I'm always talking about it on my channel, is how we're going to get to these levels like Brian's. And I just want to know your story. Like, what made you pick this up and how did you really get to that phenomenal peak level that you're at?
When I started boxing at the age of 5, jumping rope was one of the main things to warm up and cool down. After our workouts, in between our workouts.
Yeah.
And it was just something that they threw in my hands, like, all right, after workout, go do 10 minutes of rope. So I started off at that, at that age, maybe 5, 6 years old. And so eventually, when you do it daily, every day, you get bored, right? Doing the same repetitious thing.
Yeah.
So then you tend to let me see if I can do crisscross. I've seen people doing crisscross. So you work on that.
This is you, 5, 6 years old.
6 years old.
Crazy.
So, making a long story short, that's how I started jumping rope. Because of boxing, threw a rope in my hands, like, all right, work out with this. So it was this daily grind every day, just doing jump ropes and jump. And then you get the monotony sets in, and you start trying to do tricks because you want to spice it up a little bit.
Gotcha.
And so it was from one trick. I learned that for like maybe 2 months, just doing the same trick over and over until I mastered it. And I'm like, all right, what can I do with this? I learned a new trick. I just continuously just work on that trick. I'll get whips. So this funny story. I was like around maybe 3rd grade, 4th grade. I would do tricks and get whips on my face, on my back, on my neck. and I'll go to school the next day, right? And the teacher during recess goes, Brian, I want to talk to you for a second.
Oh no.
Can you come and talk to me? And so I was like, okay, miss. Talk to her. He goes, is everything okay back home? You were fine yesterday, but today you got all these whip marks on your face. Is everything okay?
Mate, we've been there, mate. Oh, mate.
And I would be like, what are you talking about, miss? And then it's like, if everything's okay back home, you got people to call the CPS, you could have them come over to your house. And I was like, oh, gee, no, I've done this to myself. It's like,
and this
it's
is
okay.
And this is the thing, right? The people back home, right? For those of you watching, like, this is the level of dedication you guys need to get to these mad, crazy levels. That you need to get hit, you need to get hurt, and you're not going to pick it up in a day, right?
Exactly.
You're never going to pick it up in a day. But tell us what's your kind of mindset? What are you thinking about when you're trying to pull these tricks off? Like, what, are you just having fun with it, or is there something you picture when you're about to do it?
The thing about me is that when I have something or I'm interested in doing something, I try to put all my energy to try to perfect that.
Good.
Like the Rubik's Cube.
Yep.
I hated taking the stickers off. And I hated taking it apart, taking the stickers off. And I want to solve this thing. And I gave myself like a couple months to try to learn everything, the ins and outs, and then I could do it now. And I'm like, okay, I don't have to cheat. I don't have to break apart the Rubik's Cube and put it together in the order. And so when I try to set my mind to it, I try to learn something new. That's the thing about me. I obsessively get into it and try to master it.
Love that.
And the same thing with a jump rope. I mean, I learned a new trick, and I seen a guy doing a trick. I was 6 years old, and I saw him do a 360, and that's when I'm like, I want to do that.
I love that.
I don't care if I, whip myself to death to try to learn that. I want to learn how to.
Mate, and you mentioned the 360. So guys, everyone and anyone knows this guy is. You're probably the king of skipping, honestly.
No.
I know a lot of people talk about Mayweather, and I do talk a lot about Mayweather on
maybe
my channel.
Maybe in boxing.
But I know a lot of people have compared you guys together, and you are probably edging. The reason why he edges it because you are unique at what you do. He's very unique, obviously, but
he's being really nice to me. I'm mediocre in the jumping rope. I see 12, 11-year-old kids.
I think now
that
though,
blow me out.
I think now, but that's because I think these type of videos, and I think the 360. Brian, you need to show me this 360. So we're going to go back inside, hopefully, or somewhere here. We're going to try and get this 360 done. And you're going to give us a quick demo.
Okay.
We're going to try to learn the mechanics of this move. I, out of respect, don't even try this move.
I try to break it down easily so anybody can learn.
So we're going to learn this, man. But listen, whilst I've got you here and I've got a bit of time, I want to say thank you for helping me grow this movement, because you have inspired this.
No, you guys are inspiring me.
No. So I
mean, you guys are taking it to a different level. I don't know what it is. I want to be a part of the movement, and I want to have people out there learn as much as they can also about jumping. It's just fun, man. It's fun to do it, and everybody can look cool doing it. Just find a boxing ring and jump in there, and you will instantly have all the women moving.
That's it. On that note, I like that. Gigi didn't like that one, but yeah, cool story. It does get heads turning in the gym. Well, I know when I'm in the gym. No, I'm not gonna carry on with this. But
the missus is here.
All right, cool. We're gonna run through a quick demo. Of this 360.
Do it. Right here. Over here.
You show me full speed again. I've got this thing here. I'm about to put this on my head. I'm gonna step in there with a world champion boxer. Him.
I'm gonna put this on my head.
So let's try and do this without the sunglasses. My power. Gigi's gonna love seeing me get beaten up. I mean, this is what Gigi prays for every day. This is what she.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Here's my trainer, Marvin. I trust Marvin. Marvin's been training me now for about, 2 months? he thinks I'm ready. it nice there. That's what run flush in my nose. Right guys, just signed off from the Wildcard West gym. What a crazy experience. I'm dripping, like, can't believe I had a sparring session with a world champion. Big up to the crew in this gym as well, guys. Like Brian, top guy. He's actually really funny as well. He's got some cool stories. And yeah, he just feels so personal, so easy to talk to him. And the owners and everyone else, everyone was so cool for us to film, let CJ do his thing. Yeah man, let's head over to the next stop and we're gonna keep this moving. Right guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog portion of this video. We're gonna get straight into this tutorial. Brian is an absolute legend, and the way he taught me this trick made sense. It didn't really make sense when I was out there, to be honest with you, but what I did is I came back here, I slowed down all the footage that I recorded from him, and I just practiced and that's what you guys need to take away from this tutorial. The second point to note, guys, which is really key as well, is that I've already done a 360 tutorial. It's a rush 360. It's my kind of version of the trick. I want you guys to watch that because the first fundamentals and the kind of entry into the move is very similar, and all the kind of fundamentals of where your arms need to be in the positioning is just exactly the same. So I want you guys to go back, watch that video. I'm gonna stick it up here or here, I forgot where it comes, but I'm gonna put the link here. If you guys have stumbled across this channel and wonder what skipping rope we use on this channel, it is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the money rope. This is the hottest selling speed rope in the world right now, guys, on the internet. We also stock on most Amazon websites, so be sure to check it out there as well. Right guys, so like I said before, make sure you go back to my first 360 video. I'm going to quickly show you the slight difference between my 360 and Brian's 360. So this is the Rush 360. What actually happens with this move is we go into the side swing. As you go for the spin, it goes behind you. Then I used to do a side swing right here at this point. We go into side swing and then you come back to the front. Right, so I'm going to show you that quick again. You used to go left, right, side swing, and then we come back round. What's going to happen with Brian's, which is a little bit different to mine, is he doesn't have a side swing on the kind of end of the 360. What he tends to do is, as he goes back round, he comes through the rope, and then he pushes the rope all the way across his body, he spins around, and then he continues skipping. So that's what's a little bit more difficult about Brian's trick, is that you've got to do the full motion of the 360 and bring the rope around. So how that kind of makes sense is whilst you're doing the trick, you're going to do the side swing, jump through the rope, and you're round now to the front. Do you see that again? I'm going to show that one more time, nice and slow. This is it step by step. You're going to go side swing, side swing. You then start to twist your body. So this is exactly like the Rush 360. You start to twist your body, you jump through backwards. Now as you jump through backwards here, you've got to then push the rope all the way around across your body. In my case, it goes to my right hand side. It's a side swing, and then I open the rope back out. So one more time quickly, I'll go left twist, back round the body, and then I'm back skipping again. So the footwork is literally, you come side on with your legs here. You're now ready to do the behind the back. So you do the behind the back, and then you twist, pivot on the leg, go back into your side swing here. I mean, this is the reason why this trick looks so good, because when you piece it together within different transitions, within different routines, it just looks super fluid, it looks super smooth. So when I'm doing it, you know, you could just go crossover, double, side swing, and then you can just go, boom, right into it. Which is why it looks quite nice, because it takes a lot of balance, it takes a lot of accuracy. There's a lot of things going on with your arms. The reason why I go to my right is because I then finish with my left hand on top. So as I swing round, the left hand comes on top. So then I can actually just open up the rope. For you guys, most of you out there are going to be right-handed. So what you're going to do is you're going to swing to your left. So as you enter the move, it's right, left, jump through, come back round, and then your right arm gets on top of the rope here. You open up the rope and start skipping. You're going to make sure you stay balanced. You're going to try and make sure when you finish the move, you're kind of in the same position. If you're kind of off center or if you're off balance, it's not going to look as good, which is why I recommend you try do it in front of a mirror. You take it really slowly. You don't try and do it too quick. You've seen Brian's clips. He goes rapid, does it super quick. But I'm trying to show you guys how to do it nice and slow first. Last point to mention quickly is actually Brian doesn't do the entry with a side swing. I'm trying to teach you the side swing for the entry to help you guys get into the move, make it look good, make it look smooth. What he actually does, and when you guys get really advanced, is you're just going to go straight into the 360 from skipping. So he's normally here, he'll get side on, boom, boom. And that's how he does it. So you see that one again? So you're skipping, you get side on, jump through. And then the 360. So that's going to take a little bit more practice, because from here you have to get side on without doing the side swing. So listen, there's a few things to learn with this move. It just takes practice, 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 as I always say. The main thing, guys, and the main thing I always tell you guys, is that it takes time. You've got to be very patient. The reason why people put this thing down and stop using it is because they don't feel like they're getting any benefit. They're tripping up, they're finding it's just too tough. And that's what I'm hoping from this channel that you guys can learn, is that there are no shortcuts to this thing. I can only show you the kind of steps and the quicker way to get to the slick level, but there are no shortcuts. It takes time, time, time. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog portion of the video. Very different for my tutorials. If you skipped ahead and you just come straight here, make sure you go back to the Rush 360, because a lot of the 360 entails that part of the move, which is the entry and the exit. So this was all about just showing you what happens to the rope, what happens during the move, and how Brian does it. So listen, I'm out of breath already. Don't forget, launch this Saturday 29th, 4 p.m. UK time. Sick hoodie, restock on the mats, restock on other hoodies and other bits and bobs. It's all popping off, guys, and it's thanks to you. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the movement. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. And yeah, cop your hat, cop whatever you need. Get the best speed rope on the planet, get the best heavy rope on the planet. We're just changing cardio day by day, and I love seeing this community grow. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.